like a compound, y'all. Compound. Like, so guys, this is gonna be different because I'm not here alone, but I don't really know anybody like really well. A few of the girls I've met before, but I don't know anybody that well. So it feels like I'm kind of on a trip alone, but with a bunch of people. It's day one. I haven't actually interacted with any of their humans yet because I need to rest up. Yeah. Let's see. I see the water. I see the Caribbean waters. It's been a while. Holy smokes, this is popping. It's so cute. This is a big, I've never stayed at a resort of this caliber. It's huge. Check in, hang with a bunch of the girls. Now I'm gonna get ready to go to dinner. And I will bring this camera to dinner and record it. Okay. Okay, we just got to the dinner. All this magic right now in the room. It's ridiculous.
Let's go over here so we can all beach.
Oh, the lighting over here though.
Yeah.
Hello. Drop your name, y'all. Drop your name.
Hi, Natalie.
There you go. Eileen, come out. No.
Yes, that light though.
That is right. This is the money spot right here.
Money spot.
This is the money spot.
Money bags.
Oh, we're taking a group picture now. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Guys, that dinner was so cute and so meaningful because everybody shared a little bit about their stories. Is that my room? No. Kind of caught, I think, everybody off guard because they weren't, you know, we weren't sure we were gonna have to speak about ourselves, and it's always sometimes awkward. But no, it was so beautiful and it was nice, and it's just always feels so good connecting with positive people, y'all. Honestly, so nice. I'm lost a little bit right now trying to find my room. Do you see how dark it is right now, y'all? It's dark. And I'm cruising these streets by myself. But I feel like safe because you're with me. You know what I mean? Oh. Back to the room. We're gonna change up and then we're gonna Misha's room for a pajama jam party. First pair of grown woman pajamas, y'all. How you like this? How you like this? Ooh, I creep, yeah. Just keep it on the down low. Thanks, girls. I'm grown now. How you? Oh, TLC right now? Yeah. Are we? There's 3 of us. You're T-Boss for sure. I'm left out. Julian. So we just got to Lucha and we're here at the school, so we're gonna meet a bunch of young brown girls, y'all. We're gonna have some fun with them. We're gonna have some transformational experiences, so we'll see what happens. fun. It's like, you know when you go somewhere and you're like, this is like exactly what I would do. Like, this is all the vibes, the plants, everything, like, it's boho-y. I'm like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, pretty much. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. You gotta, it's beautiful. I love it. Look at this hair. Look at all this here. And then you got the cute little dread happening. Okay, okay. Overall, you guys, this trip was so good. I can't even express to you how much I thoroughly enjoyed it. As you know, in the beginning, I had no idea what to expect. I felt like I was going into it alone and I was going to be with a bunch of strangers. But honestly, by the time we left, it was like everyone was vibing with each other. And it was just such a good time, such a good experience, so inspiring. And I'm so thankful to have been a part of it. So thank you, girls. Until next time, namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me at think.